In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 controller that just won't turn on. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if your PS5 controller isn't powering on while you're using a PS5 or even a PC, try these fixes in order. The first thing that you should try and do is charge your controller. You could do this by plugging a USB-C cable into the controller and just connecting the other end to either your PS5, a PC, or even a wall charger, and just let it charge for at least 30 minutes to a few hours, and then try turning it on again. Sometimes the battery is just completely dead. Now, if charging didn't work, the controller may be disconnected from your console itself, or even your PC, but essentially just plug the controller into your PS5 or PC using a USB-C cable, and then just press the PlayStation button in the center of the controller, and this will repair it to the console or even the PC. If it still won't turn on, what you're going to want to do is a full reset. If you actually turn the controller around and make it so that you're looking at the back of your controller, close to the L2 button, you're going to see a small little reset hole on the newer controllers. You'll see that same little reset hole down in the very bottom of your controller. If that's not the case, essentially just go ahead and use a paper clip or even a pen and just press and hold the button inside for around 5 seconds. After resetting, plug the controller back into your PS5 with that USB-C cable and then press the PlayStation button to reconnect it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.